Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And once again, I have another fantastic place for you guys to get some traffic and get some human eyeballs on your website. And this is, one of the best when it comes to getting a lot of active human eyeballs on your site. And that is the unbelievable and the incredible Listjoe.com. Listjoe, I think, been around since like 2005, I believe. Every now and then they'll shut it down to make everything better. After a couple years, they keep making it better and always upgrade with the times and eras of the ever-evolving internet. It's free to join. When you sign up, you'll get 1,500 credits. You can also buy solo ads. You can buy credits, but if you want to just get your site seen for free, you can just view other people's websites and just build up credits and do it that way, the free way. But if you don't want to do that, like I say, you can buy solos and buy credits and get your business seen that way. But this is, to me, is a must sign up. And if I were you, I would sign up for free, and then I would refer people, because when you refer people, you're gonna get credits that way too. So, but yeah, this is one that I don't got to carry on and on about. This is just a no-brainer. This site has generated so many sales for people that it's not even funny. You gonna get some active eyeballs on whatever you got to promote over here. So, with that being said, Listjoe is just a phenomenal platform, and y'all should take advantage of it for free. But look, I'm gonna put a link below this video. I'm also gonna put a link to my blog so you can see what I got going on over there. I got all kind of online and offline opportunities, residual income opportunities. I got a marketing resources page. So I'm gonna put those two links below the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell and set up your free Listjoe account. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.